Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 8th of March, Wednesday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 9th of March. But before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If you look at the global indices, Germany, France, and UK all have been trading in red. However, the weakness is not as much as it was seen in the previous trading sessions. As of now, these are trading in a flattish zone. If we talk about China, China closed in deep red. All the indices were down by more than 2%. If we talk about the US, US closed in deep red with Nasdaq down 3% and S&P 500 2.5% and Dow Jones exactly 2%. If we go to FIDI data of today, FIIs have sold more than 8,142 crores and DIs were net buyers of 6,489 crores. If we go to the Nifty on a one-day chart, as of now we can see that Nifty has formed a bullish candle and it has engulfed the previous day doji candle. It seems like that Nifty is trying to form a base and will go up from here. If you go to the 15 minutes chart to understand the price action, so for today what has happened in the Nifty is we opened gap down. We opened at 15,747 and from there we saw a upward rally up to the first resistance which was given to you 15,850 to 15,900, and from there we lost all the gains and slided to the low of 15,671, and from there we saw a sharp recovery up to the level of 16,113, and from here we need to see how we can open tomorrow, gap up or gap down. But as of now, as if Nifty is showing 100 points down, we might open gap down. We need to see where we are opening and where we are closing. So if we open gap up tomorrow, which is a possibility, then the first resistance would be at 16,082 or 16,100. Second would be at 16,182 200, and then another resistance would be at 16,250. If we open gap down and we start moving towards support, then the first support would be at 15,950 level, the second would be at 15,850 to 15,900, and the next would be 15,760 to 15,780. So these are the levels for support. If we go to the option chain, we can validate the levels over here. As of now, at 16,000, 69,000 contracts have been written, and a lot of call writers have closed their position as of now, and a strong base is being formed at 15,700 as well as 15,800. So these are the support levels. If we talk about the call writing zone, the major amount of call writing is happening at 16,200 for this expiry and 16,500. 16,500 is having more than 1 lakh contracts, and this is huge as of now. If you go to the Bank Nifty has also found a bullish candle, and it seems like Bank Nifty is trying to recover from the kind of fall which Bank Nifty has shown to us, and it seems like Bank Nifty will gain strength once it start crossing the level of 34,000. Let's go to the option chain to to say chart before we go to the option chain. So today Bank Nifty made another low of 32,171, which is like going to be a really good support for the market in the coming few days. We saw a sharp covering in the second half of the trading session and we closed at 33,158. Look at the levels, how these levels work. The exact support and resistance which are given to you are working perfectly. Even if you kind of take a buy or a sell call at the support and resistance level, I'm sure you will gonna make money. That's how I'm making money. So here you can see that Bank Nifty has taken the support, in fact the resistance, from the level of 33,250 to 33,300. This was the level given to you in the last day video, and you can check. I'll give the link in the I button. You can check from there, and from here the Bank Nifty has closed. If we talk about the support for tomorrow, The first support is at 32,850 to 32,870. The second would be at 32,380 to 32,420, and the next would be at 32,150 to 32,170. If we open gap up, in that case the first resistance would be at 33,300, the second would be at 33,500 to 550, and the next would be at 33,980 to 34,000. We might see a really good short covering on the higher side. Let's go to the option chain to validate the levels. At 33,200, the ATM strike price, good number of call writers are there, but as of now we have seen that the call writers are closing their position and they have reduced the quantity at 33,000. So as of now we can see further short covering coming up in the coming days, and we might head up to the next level of call writing, which is at 33,500 and then 34,000. Talking about the put writing zone, we are at 33,200 level, and we might see a huge open interest added at 32,400 as well as 33,000. So 33,000 might become a good base for this coming week for the bank nifty. That's all for the today's video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.